I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. So as you see my last video, I started my introduction on my stock videos. Make sure you watch that before this. It just talks about what I'm going to be doing. This is my new channel lineup. I'm doing stock videos. Before I've been doing car and tech videos. So this is the old video right here. So this is my channel right here. Take a look at my other videos if you'd like. Alright, so let's go ahead and start today with Thinkorswim. So this can be my review on Thinkorswim. It's by TD Ameritrade. It's completely free. If you go on their website, you can see that they have a practice trading account and a real account. Forgive me, my internet's a little slow here. I'm at my college apartment right now. So this is where you go, and then you can open a new account. And they have like a bunch of offers for new accounts. Right now they have that get up to $600 right there. So you can open a paper money account, which is just fake money. It's not real money, and that's just for trading. So if you open that, that's for 60 days. You don't need any of this information right here. Just I believe a name, email. So once you make that, you have that for up to 60 days, and you can use that for practice trading, and you can use that for the charts and for data, scanner, everything that the real one has. The practice one is fully free, like unlimited time. If you sign up for the full account for TD Ameritrade, it's completely free. There's no monthly charge, and there's no minimum balance you have to maintain. So far I have had no problem. I had it for, let's say, like 2-3 weeks now, and it's been okay. So let's go ahead. I have the real account. I didn't put any money into it. I just use it for the scanner, charts, and just also use a practice account here and there just to practice some trades. So let's go ahead. Once you download it, once you open the account, it'll give you an option on here to download it. So let's go ahead and open that up. So this is what it looks like. Alright, so when you start up, this is where it'll start on the home screen right here. It'll show you like the time. You can open all these quickly. Show you like CNBC, that's the stocks market TV channel. And as you can see, they also have their swim lessons. They have those. They have a lot of ideas. They have their like social media for stock market guys. We do stocks and stuff. And you can post your trades. You can talk to other people. You can see what other people are trading. You can make that public or private. It's all up to you. It's basically like Facebook for this. So I usually just click no on here because I don't really want to see this. I just want to jump in and go to my charts and dailies. So yeah, this has like the live support. You don't really need this home screen, but that's where it starts. It's just to show you. And then here it'll show you your account info for options, stocks, net liquidity, cash and sweep vehicle. So what I did was for videos, I think it was default on the star option, which means it's just for privacy mode. It just doesn't show any numbers on there, but you can turn that off. And like I told you, I don't have any money in this account. I'm using Robinhood and use stock trade right now, like I've shown in the last video. That's my first video. So you can turn that on, turn that off, just so that, like, see if you have friends over or you're in public or you just don't want your account to show on here. Shows your account number here, the time right here. You can make an alarm for when it opens, when it closes, all that. And the real-time data is completely free. What you have to do is go into the account and then go into subscription, and then from there you can activate the real-time data, or you can chat with them or call with them, and they'll do that for you. They'll run you through it. It's completely free. And right here, so this is the basic view right here. This is the chart section. Once you hover over the charts, you can choose which one, but you can also do that here. so you can have like more than one chart. I believe you can add another one. You should be able to add like more charts. So let's say you want like one here, one here, one here, one here. You can have 4 of them. You can move them around, or you can just have, this is just one chart right here. Or you can have the flexible one, and you can have the product depth. This is a little advanced. It goes into the volume, option, strike price, and all that. I don't do options or futures, so that's not really relevant to me. So just go back and do charts and go to charts right here. So right here you can type in Apple, the company name, or the ticker, which is the 4 to, well, I think it's 3 to 5 letters. So I know the tickers by now. It's really easy. You just start memorizing after a week or so. So just type that. And then as you can see right here, it's shown by, you can show by 1 day, 1 minute view. This is daily. This is where it opened. This is where it's closed. These gray areas are after hours and pre-market. This is pre-market, as you can see, because it's before 9:30. And this is post-market or after hours. That's after 4 p.m. right here. So once you go over here, you can go ahead and change your view. So this is how I set mine up. You can start doing this, or you can make your own. So you can go to time frame and select it quickly right there, or you can go ahead and customize the list, and you can add a time frame. Say I want intraday is like throughout the day. You can both go by days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 days. Select the time interval, or you can do a custom. They actually added this in the new update. You can choose what the date. The ticker means it's like each one is a tick on here, or a candle. So you can do that, or you can do a range from when to whenever. So that's just how you want the chart to appear. And from here you can add chart scale, like you can scale it where it will size to the window automatically, or you can do it manually. I usually set it on auto, and you can do like fit high low and all these. You don't really need to do that in the beginning. You can check the style. That's these candles right here, and you can draw things. You can draw like a line. Say you're showing people, let's zoom in right here. The zoom buttons are over here. Zoom in, zoom out, and you can just draw a line right here. So that's where I zoomed in. So you want to draw a line like this. Say you're telling people buy here, sell here, like that. And then just right click, and then you can clear them, remove all the drawings. I'm just going to clear everything. Alright, and then zoom out. If you don't want to zoom in and zoom out like that, say you're zoomed in and you're like moved random spot, just right click, auto zoom. It'll come back to how you set it up right here, 1 day, 1 minute. And also if like the charts, also if the chart's like all weird, then just go ahead and right click and then click auto range. That will size this window right here and this volume window right here, and then you'll be good to go. It's really annoying when it gets out of hand. Like say you're zoomed in like this and you don't know what's going on, how to zoom in, zoom out. Just right click, auto zoom, right click, auto range. So that's the charts right there. And market watch is your that's your watch list right there. You can make different watch lists. Like you see I have a bunch of these right here. These purple ones are my scanners. I'll go into that after. These are my watch lists right here, the ones without the purple ring. So this is my stocks to buy right now. Or you can go, these are your personal ones. These are public ones. These are by all the people that use it and just public. These are also free, and you can go right here. So you can check like ETFs, or if you want like New York Stock Exchange only ones, or if you just want S&P 500. And they have like lovers and losers. These are scanners right here, and I like the top 10, and I like the top 10 volatile increase and top 10 sizzling stocks. These are ones that have like high volume. As you can see, they're usually like around a million or more, and they've opened up high or closed high. You can sort it by the net change. You can look at the bid ask right here, and you get the low, the 52-week high, that's the yearly high, and shows you the symbol. So if you want to, let's say you want your list here, and then let's go to the public, and right here, public, top 10 sizzling stocks. So let's just take a look at the first one right here. So as you can see, obviously you can see why it's in the top 10. It's been going up a lot today. It opened up right here. Oh, sorry, opened up right here and then went up all the way here. So opened up around 48 and closed at around 48.37. It's probably been going up for a while now, or it came down, went up. Yeah, that's what happened. So people have been buying it. So once you click this chart won't change automatically like I'm doing. How you want to fix that is you go right here, click this and drag it over, click this and make it blue, and then make this one same color. So when you click on this, the chart will show up. If you don't want to do that, change this color, or just click on link, and once you click on it, this won't change. I like to keep this that when you click it, it changes, just because when you're like trading like in the seconds, it's really important that you have that time and information right there. So that was blue. I keep blue. I keep this one blue as well because whenever I click something, I want it to show up right here immediately. Alright, so I keep that window like about here. If you click it and drag it over, like hold it and drag it over, it'll go away, and once you click it, it'll come back. And here you can add your like account info, quick quote. So say I want to look at Apple, the ticker for that is Apple right there, and then the quick quote won't show up. So what you want to do is click it and drag it over, or you can just type it here, like look at AMD, or you want to look at Tesla. You can then you can just type it and it'll come up right here. And then you can have multiple watch lists. These are my watch lists right here, and you can add another one. Let's go like here. Let's go to top gain. So these are the ones that have been gaining a lot today, and I know Adobe today has popped up crazy. You can see it opened 164, went to 171. Yesterday it was 152. Today it opened 165-ish and closed around 171.35 right here. Oh, well, right now it's 171 and 173, but that's where it closed over there. Alright, so that's basically how to get the list and everything to show up here. Next thing, you can go to monitor, and this is just like order history, trade history, P&L, profit loss for the day, account summary, cash and sweep vehicle. It just shows you how much you have in commissions, amount, balances, what time it went through, what time went out. You can do that from like different time frame, show by the symbol, and the trade tab is where you do the trading. So let's go back to Apple right here. Alright, same thing here. If you click the blue one and click the blue one here, these both will link. So like when you're trading right here, when you click this, you want it to show up. So like I showed you, go back here. That's always blue for me. And then click blue. And move that over here. And so let's go to the first one right here. As you can see, you can buy market, sell market. You can choose which thing you want here. That's the active trader. This is trader system right here. This is trade. This is level 2. This is completely free. And I don't really use these other ones. This is a simple buy, sell, how many, and just another different type of one. So C is a chart. You want that here. Let's get rid of this. I usually like to keep it this way. Add this and maybe this one here or the level 2. That's all advanced. You don't need to do that right now when you're starting out. So the next thing, let's go ahead and analyze. So say you want, let's go back to Apple again. I'm just using this because everybody knows Apple. You can click on a chart for data. You can add a simulated trade. Say you bought here and you sold here. You can simulate that. Probability of something happening, like it goes by volatility, how it's been moving. You can think back. You can go back to a different day. It's like going back in time. And the fundamentals, like it shows you what it does. So let's go back to Apple again. It shows you earnings per share, profitability, just like technical information on the company. So right now, let's say you want to buy right now. It fell today, so if you go back to the charts and look at Apple and let's look at it from a 30-day view. You see how it went up, came down. Right here, it's coming down. So say you're an investor or you just want to buy your first stock. So since it fell, you want to be looking to get in once it starts recovering there, like around here. You go back to analyze, and you can see that these opinions will change. So these are like top people, like top companies. They put out ratings for each company. So right now, this company is a 4-star rating, strong buy, neutral from long, and hold. They don't have any sell right now, so go ahead and buy that right now. That's good for long term. Let's look at Tesla maybe right here. Right now it's on sell, hold, avoid. That's just because it's gone up right here a lot, and it's gonna come back down soon. Let's look at Google. Like it's been great. It was like about here. I missed it in the low 900s, and then it like next week it just popped up after 1,000. So yeah, that's just analyzed, and scanner is the next one that's really important. So as you've seen, you can load up personal. These are mine. I can't really give these out or how I made them. I'll go into my next video on some of them. I'll show you like how to, like an example of them. But these are really to your personal trading style. It's not the same for everyone. I'd like to trade on momentum. I do swing trading and just a little bit of day trading here and there if I see something going up or going down. I don't really do like crazy penny stocks, like get rich schemes, nothing like that. Let's go to a scanner. So you click here, load, public. Let's just do the first one and click scan. You can click how many you want to show. The more you click, the fast or the longer it's gonna take you to show them. I usually just do 10 or 20 because I don't need like a whole list. Let's just do 10 for now. Come on. Okay, scan button. So these are just 10 right here. So if You can look at this. You can see how much it changed. You can sort it. You can sort it by volume, change, whatever. This will come up and you can change it. So you only want stock to show above $10. Click scan. You'll see all of these are above 10. You can put a max, and then you can add a filter right here. You can do like volume, last, percent change. You can add a study filter. This is in the, you have to sign up for the full version for this. It's free, but you have to sign up with your social security and all that. You don't need to put minimum balance, like I said. Once you do that, then you can do the advanced stuff. This is really helpful. It shows you like stocks before they go up, once they go up if they're gonna fall, or once they fall if they're gonna go back up. You can do all that, and a fundamental filter. So yeah, that's the scanner settings. So say I want to see like the hot stocks today, they just click this button, scan, and it'll pop up. Or let's say you want to see stuff that went down. Go to public, percent change, losers. And then like you do like 10 or 20 just so it's easy to see. These are all the ones that went down. So let's hit the scan button. So I got 10 of these right here. All of them that went down. You want to see the biggest one that went down, let's see here, was GPC. I'm not sure what that is, but if you go here, type that in. Genuine Parts Company. Go back to the scanner. You can also get these, like I showed you, over here. So you go to same thing, public, percent change, losers, and they'll all pop up here. And then if you don't want to like go back here and then type it here, just click here. And then once you check your set your chart up with the blue, set this with the blue, it's gonna show up. So that's it. That's how to use a scanner. As you can see how much it fell today, up at 98 down to 89. So that's the basic stuff on here. You don't need to do everything that I've said. I've been just showing you everything that I've learned so far. There's a lot more things, but this is the basic stuff to get you started. I can go into tools. So this was what I was talking about. There's social media, basically trade feeds, Thinklog, videos. They have their own videos. They have their education sessions that are going on. I didn't really get into all that, but you can watch videos and it shows you right here. You can share items. My trade is what I've traded. It shows you on there. I don't use this for trading, but you can. On education, that's where they have the videos and information, articles, and help. If you need to, you got their number right here. Launch Learning Center, their mail address. Overnight delivery, I don't know what that's for, but mainly a support. If you want to get in support with them immediately, just click the support chat. I believe they're open 24/7, or no, they're open from this time right here. And you can also get live support, chat rooms. There's a lot of them, which is pretty cool. Trade lounge, so people are just talking here. They're saying like buy this, buy that. Just the chat room. And you can, these are messages which basically tell me like when to buy, sell. And you can also adjust this section right here. You can add calculator and different levels, live audio, trader TV. You can have news playing up here. You can get a quick chart. You can get a scratch pad, and I don't know why, but there's Tetris. You can play Tetris right here. Alright, not gonna be playing Tetris, so. Alright, go down and up, you just click these arrows. I don't think you can scroll on here with the Mac scroll pad. You just have to click these arrows, and you can minimize these right here. Add them, settings, and different page right here, or to close the page, open, close, or you can also just drag it there. So I had really good experience so far. When I first started, like really 2 to 3 weeks ago, I became a different trader. Like when I got into the charts, I'll show you quickly how I look at charts. This is the advanced. You can stop watching the video right here, and because I'll go into this later on. So, but I'm just going to show you how I basically use this. So, the stock I was looking at today was Micron. MU is a ticker. So I usually look at it by the two grids. So I hop on in the morning, and then I usually do the 1 day, 1 minute, and then I zoom in. This is my other chart right here. So when it's starting out, it'll look like this. It'll be really zoomed in. Alright, right here. Or you can drag and zoom in. Let's do auto range. Auto range. Alright, so you see these dots right here? That's how I set them up. It tells me buy here, sell here. Green's buy, sell here. So that's where you set up the studies. So I'm saying this is advanced. It's not something you need to get into immediately. But you can make your own scripts, which basically give you alerts and tell you when to buy, sell, shows you different charts, different lines, volume, how it's trading, what's going on, send you phone alerts, email alerts. You can set all that up. That's really advanced. So I'm basically used this one, and then another study I use here is the buy sell. So once you look at it right here, I load it up. I load it up by, let's say, usually the 1 day, 1 minute. So let's zoom in over here. So it tells me buy here and sell here. Alright, and this one shows me more. It's a little less accurate, but it tells me buy here, sell here. So that's how I use it. And it's better when you use like the 5-minute window, or even the half hour, 5-minute. So this is better here. Tells you, hey, buy here, sell here. So you can buy here at 40.50, sell here 40.90. That's 50 cents profit right there. That's basically how I use it. And then you can also use like different studies. Shows you high, low, high of a day, low of a day. You can also do strong buy sell. And these don't come with the program Thinkorswim. You have to make these. I scripted them, I coded them. Some I found online that people were using. So if you're able to get them online or learn how to code them, that's good, because this will really help you out. It's really advanced. The strong buy sell is really good when you're investing. So when you go into, you gotta zoom out really far, like at least like months or years. Let's go to 180 days. So here it shows me, I made these arrows big. You buy here, I believe 29.20s range, and then sells you, like it tells you to keep holding, like it told you buy here, sell here, and then buy here, buy again. That means it's gonna go up a lot, as it did. It went from 30s to 42, and that was all within August, and now it's October. So within 2 months it went up more than $10 per share. And here I'll show you like the percentage. I believe that's a daily gain. And you can also set up the charts. These are advanced settings. You can draw things, like, or you can just right click, add a drawing. So say you're showing your friends, or you're just doing a study for yourself. So you buy here, and let's say your future goal is to sell up here. You just draw a line. Go ahead and clear that. So that's just, these are all advanced features. That's how I use it. So let's go to like Apple here. So when you go to yearly view, this is 1 year. It tells you, hey, buy up here, and then comes down here, and then goes up, sell here. So what was that? 137, sell 145, and then you can also sell up here again if you buy again here. So that's just how I use it. Let's look at like a slow growing one. Let's look at Google. You see, like, it tells you at 850s buy, and that tells you to buy here again because it knows it's going to go up. 930s, and then it tells you sell up here. Hey, it's coming back down, sell here, and then it'll give me like a buy here or something in the future, and then buy up here and sell here. I don't really follow this like 100%. I make it based on what I believe, how much I believe it's worth, how much profit target I have, how much loss I'm willing to take, and just on my availability of the day. Let's go back to 1 day, 1 minute on here. So that's basically Thinkorswim. There's a lot more to this. You can edit studies, you can, let's close out. You can search for like, so this is my buy indicator and sell indicator. Those are all the ones that I coded. So these are all the ones that come with the program, question mark, and these are ones that I coded. So let's go to my buy indicator. This is it. And if you go to edit sources, that's where it shows you like when to buy, when to sell on there. That's the script, that's how you code it. So that's it for Thinkorswim. It's been really great so far. There hasn't been any lags or any updates causing it to crash. They're really good with the support. I called them for the real-time data and they immediately picked up, and I stayed on hold for like a minute, and then they immediately picked up after that, and they got me into the real-time data. That's where it shows you like second by second, like millisecond, it changes. You definitely need that if you're going to use that for trading. So this basically the charts. You can use a scanner, and I just use a monitor right here. The main things are the charts because that's where you want to see what's going on, and have your watch list right here. Maybe a calculator if you're doing like profit loss calculation. And I like to keep 2 watch lists because this is I have a daily one here, and then I usually look at, these are custom ones. This shows me what's popping up right now. So if you go into the scanner, let's do that really quickly. So stocks within $2 to $5 range that are popping up. So it shows you like these are going up a lot. And these scanner, you have to set them up by yourself too. And so with your alerts and everything, they show up right here, support chat, and you can also go to setup and application settings, and you can change all the settings over here, how you want everything to show. Notifications, you can send notifications to your phone. You can say like, hey, when this reaches $2 from $3, send me a text or an email. Order defaults, hotkeys, these are for like day trading. So if you press like space plus B, it'll buy. And this is my profile right here. That's for the my trade. They're basically their social profile. So you got the time here. When I saw that when the market opens, makes that ding 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 sound. When it closes, makes a bell sound. I don't know why. The only thing that bothers me is it doesn't maximize. It goes here. It does not like full screen. So when you swipe up, as you can see in Mac, it's not actually full screen. It's just maximized on here. So it's kind of hard to like swipe through things if you're using one screen. This is on my monitor right now, but I mainly have like my internet going on here, and I have this going on, and on my laptop I have my trading going on. So yeah, that concludes my review for Thinkorswim. If I could rate it, I would give it like 9 0.5 out of 10. That's on the desktop, and the mobile I give it like 8 out of 10 just because it's a little advanced. For you starting out, it's a little advanced. Even for me, I've been doing this for like a little more than a year now. Uh, but if you wanted to use an app for trading, I would go with Robinhood just because of no commissions starting out. Or you can also do use stock trade after you get a hang of it. And these guys also have, or Thinkorswim also has the mobile practice trading app and Thinkorswim, and they have a TD Ameritrade app. They have like a bunch of apps, but just get the Thinkorswim one because you can trade on there and use the charts. So you can get all this. So when you make a study on here, it'll show up on the phone. Everything you save on here will show up on the phone. The watch list will update, just like how Apple integrates their iPhone and Mac and makes it easy when you're working on something. It shows up on something else. That's how it is. That's what I really like. Overall, I'd give Thinkorswim like 9 out of 10. Just that's really good because a lot of other ones just have a lot of problems. I've used other ones, just been really hard to use and have a lot of software issues. So I'd give this a 9 out of 10, and it's been really great. So in the future, I'm going to be making videos of when I buy, when I sell. So I'm going to be like, I'm buying here, I'm selling here. I'm not giving advice that you need to follow. You don't have to follow it, but I would say I'm like a decent trader. I have like decent growth so far. So I'm just going to be like, I'm going to buy here or sell here. I might be doing some live videos or like videos as I'm trading instantly. So you can see me actually buying it, selling it. Like you can see how I'm doing, and I'm going to do some videos of showing my trades and my analysis based on using the charts. So if you don't understand any terms or anything, I'll look them up, or I'll make more videos on that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this, and put in some comments and hit that subscribe button. Alright, thanks for watching.